So dear friends, to create your Telegram account, first install this Telegram app from Play Store or App Store. Now open it. After opening the Telegram app, first you will get this interface. Now just click on Start Messaging. Continue. First you gotta select the country. From this country list, select your own country. And after selecting your country, now enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, just click on this right arrow icon. Again, you will see this pop-up notification, just click on yes. And now an international call will come to your phone number, but don't accept this call and directly reject it. And now you will get this interface. Now first you gotta enter your first name. And if you want to add your profile photo right now, you can add it too. Just click on this profile photo icon here. And now from the bottom option, select the last option, upload from gallery. And now from the bottom options, select the middle option, allow all. It will redirect you to your phone gallery. I'm selecting a person's photo. And now at the bottom right corner, click on this tick mark. Now your profile photo is updated. And at the bottom right corner, click on this right arrow icon. And now your Telegram account is created. So this is how you can create your Telegram account. That's it.